So a tool like Vypr allows Burgess to talk to small animal owners directly. These insights are really invaluable for us for developing products and strategy, and really helps to drive the business forward. Burgess Pet Care are a family-owned company based in East Yorkshire.
Our leading brand is Burgess Excel, which is a small animal food brand.
So we cater for 9 of the UK's most popular pets, so from dogs and cats all the way down to rats, chinchillas and ferrets.
So Burgess have been working with Vypr for around about 4 years.
So some of the challenges we faced, kind of any marketing department will know this, is packaging.
In terms of packaging design, there's always lots of opinions, lots of internal opinions, and the traditional way of them was to go to focus groups, which takes a long time and is very expensive. What Vypr does, it allows us to resolve some of the internal arguments really quickly and get a really good insight into what consumers think about our pack designs.
Small animal owners are a very segmented population in the UK, even though we know there's a lot of them. So actually being able to have a specific targeted group of guinea pig owners is invaluable to us.
The steers that we run through Vypr allows Burgess to have a much deeper understanding of our customers and our audience that we're speaking to.
It also allows us to flexibly test different designs head to head, and we can also test competitor packaging as well, so we get some insights into what the market thinks about the competitor designs as well.
The rapid targeting that Vypr allows gives the commercial conversations that we have with our customers much more credibility, and the insight is there for our customers to see directly.
You kind of go into meetings with buyers with the kind of confidence to say this is a product, this is a packaging that has really kind of excelled in kind of consumer insights, and you have evidence to back up some decisions you have made.
Vypr's been a real help when we go into the meetings with some of the UK's biggest retailers. We can prove to the buyer that the design works, we can prove that the price is right, and those are compelling reasons for the retailer to stock our products.
Working with Vypr gives us the confidence, the credibility to know that we are making the right decisions, and it really allows us to move forward knowing that we're giving that sort of more niche audience of small animal owners exactly what they want and what they need for their pets.
What Vypr does, it allows us a really cost-effective way to test new products, to test pricing, and it's central to our business moving forward.
Given 80% of NPD fails, Vypr allows us to be able to test products effectively to give them the best chance of success.
Any new product development is there to enhance and grow the brand, and Vypr again gives us that confidence to find either a gap in our product range or a gap in the market to extend, and I think it again just gives us the confidence to know that our NPD will be successful, or at least has the best chance to be.
The Vypr pricing steers is a really invaluable tool for us, because it allows us to speak to our audiences directly and understand what type of price they're willing to pay for the products that we have to offer.
Vypr helps us target international customers in a similar way that it helps us target UK customers. For the UK, we can target by different shopper preferences, by different shopper channels. And it's the same when we look at the international markets. We can decide on an international market and create a panel and then test new products in those international markets. And again, the results come back really quickly.
I think it's an invaluable service for us to continue to grow our brands and drive commercial success within those.
I think it's helped us in a lot of different ways, but particularly in marketing, it's helped us gain deeper insight into what our audience needs and wants from us.
Vypr's been a real help in terms of brand visibility, because it's allowed us to go to retailers with compelling arguments to list our products, and that means we have got more products listed in a wider range of retailers.
You can't underestimate how important it is to kind of have that robust evidence behind you.
That's going to lead to better products, better ranges, better conversations with our customers, and better decisions.